is the capital city of Nara Prefecture, located in the Kansai region of Japan directly bordering Kyoto Prefecture. It is home to 8 temples, shrines, and ruins which collectively form the historic monuments of ancient Nara, a UNESCO World Heritage Site since 1998. Ishuyen is an attractive Japanese garden with a variety of features, such as the use of Todaiji Temple's Nandemon Gate and Mount Wakkusaima as borrowed scenery. Ishuyen means garden founded on water, and the garden's name is derived from the fact that its ponds are fed by the small adjacent Yoshikiwa River. The Yoshikie Garden is located just on the other side of the river. Ishuyen is divided into 2 parts, a front garden and a rear garden, with a number of tea houses scattered throughout. The front garden has a longer history, dating back to the mid-17th century. The rear garden, the larger of the two, is more recent and was built in 1899 by a wealthy merchant. Next to the garden and included with admission is a small museum displaying pottery, seals, mirrors and other artifacts from ancient China and Korea from the collection of the family that owns Ishuyen. The larger eastern garden dates from 1899 and was designed by Seiki Tojiro, a Nara businessman. Tojiro hired for the redesign Horitoku, a garden architect from the school of Urasenke. The gardens cover roughly 145,000 square feet, 13,500 square meters. In the central pond of the gardens, there are 2 islands with sculptures of a crane and tortoise. In Japanese culture, these animals represent longevity. The house of the Hayoshin Tei, along with the West Pool, were designed by Kimura Sebe, another garden architect from Urasenke. It allows access of the house by using a technique called shakke, or borrowed landscape. The composition of the landscape incorporates the roof of the large southern door, Nandemon, of the temple Teji, as well as the 3 higher hills overhanging Nara, the mounts Wakakusa, Kasuga, and Mikasa. It is framed by the trees of the Himuro Sanctuary in the south and the Teji Temple in the north. These make the space between the garden and background seem to disappear, producing a continuity which makes the landscape blend in visual harmony. This harmony is reinforced by the absence of any artificial enclosure. The shape of the pond represents the shape of the kanji character for Mizu, water. A central island is connected to the bank by a series of stepping stones, which were formerly used to grind the pigments used in dyeing. The garden also contains decorative stones, which were popular during the Meiji era. The water is fed by the Yoshiki River, which flows adjacent to the garden. Located in central Nara, a visit to Ishuyen Garden is easily combined with seeing other attractions such as Todaiji Temple and Kofukuji Temple, which are both a 10-minute walk away. Along the approach to Todaiji stands the Nandemon Gate, a large wooden gate watched over by 2 fierce-looking statues. Representing the Neo-Guardian kings, the statues are designated national treasures together with the gate itself. Temple visitors will also encounter some deer from the adjacent Nara Park begging for shika senbei, special crackers for deer that are sold for around 200 yen. Todaiji, Great Eastern Temple, is one of Japan's most famous and historically significant temples and a landmark of Nara. The temple was constructed in 752 as the head temple of all provincial Buddhist temples of Japan and grew so powerful that the capital was moved away from Nara in 784 in order to lower the temple's influence on government affairs. Until recently, Todaiji's main hall, the Daibutsuden, Big Buddha Hall, held the record as the world's largest wooden building, despite the fact that the present reconstruction of 1692 is only 2/3 of the original temple hall's size. The massive building houses one of Japan's largest bronze statues of Buddha, Daibutsu. The 15 meters tall, seated Buddha represents Vairocana and is flanked by 2 bodhisattvas. Several smaller Buddhist statues and models of the former and current buildings are also on display in the Daibutsuden Hall. Another popular attraction is a pillar with a hole in its base that is the same size as the Daibutsu's nostril. It is said that those who can squeeze through this opening will be granted enlightenment in their next life. Various buildings of the Tdeji have been incorporated within the overall aesthetic intention of the garden's design. Adjacent villas are today considered part of Tdeji. Some of these structures are now open to the public. Over the centuries, the buildings and gardens have evolved together as to become an integral part of an organic and living temple community. The Tdeji Culture Center opened on 10 October 2011, comprising a museum to exhibit the many sculptures and other treasures enshrined in the various temple halls, along with a library and research center, storage facility, and auditorium. Alongside the great Buddha statue, the Daebutsudan Hall was also designated a national treasure. A tremendously large wooden building, it suffered terribly due to great fires before being rebuilt again in 1709. It was originally 88 meters in length, but was scaled down to in the process of rebuilding due to financial difficulties and now stands at 57 meters. Despite this, it still stands as the largest wooden structures in the world. Deer in Nara are friendly and roam the city freely. According to legend, a mythological god, Takemikazuchi, arrived in Nara on a white deer to guard the newly built capital of Hijokyo. Ever since then, the deer have been seen as heavenly animals protecting the city and the country. You can find the deer just about anywhere, but the highest concentration is located in Nara Park, where they also sell deer biscuits or shikasembi. The deer that populate Nara are Isika deer or spotted deer and are also known as bowing deer because they oftentimes bow their heads before being fed.